Is your Amazon Fire tablet feeling sluggish? You're not alone. Several factors contribute to this frustrating issue. Let's examine the most common culprits behind slow Fire tablet performance. First and most critical is insufficient storage. When your Fire tablet's internal storage is nearly full, performance takes a significant hit. The system needs free space to operate efficiently. Second, too many apps running in the background consume valuable RAM memory. Each background app uses system resources, leaving less available for the apps you're actively using. Third, outdated software creates compatibility issues and bugs. When your Fire OS or apps haven't been updated, they may not work efficiently with newer system requirements. Fourth, cache data accumulates over time. While cache is meant to speed things up, too much cache data can actually slow down your tablet as it takes up valuable storage space. Finally, if you're using an SD card for apps, a slow card can significantly impact performance. Not all SD cards are created equal. Speed matters when running applications. The good news is that newer Fire HD8 models have addressed many of these issues with increased RAM and better processors. However, older models are still susceptible. Keep your Fire OS and apps updated and only download apps from the Amazon App Store to avoid compatibility issues. Now let's speed up your Fire tablet with practical fixes. First, free up storage space by deleting unused apps and files, moving photos to cloud storage, and removing downloaded content you no longer need. Regularly clear your app cache to remove accumulated junk data. Go to Settings, then Apps and Notifications, select individual apps, and clear their cache. Do this monthly for optimal performance. Reduce background activity by disabling unnecessary apps, limiting background usage in settings, and turning off auto-sync for apps you don't actively use. Keep your Fire OS updated for performance improvements and bug fixes. Go to Settings, Device Options, then System Updates to install any available updates. Establish a regular maintenance routine. Reboot your tablet weekly to clear temporary files and refresh the system. Clear app cache monthly to prevent performance degradation. For persistent issues, try advanced troubleshooting. Clear the cache partition from the recovery menu or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember to back up your data first. For older Fire tablets, consider using Fire Toolbox. This tool allows you to install custom launchers, remove bloatware, add Google Play Store, and significantly improve overall performance. Finally, disable Alexa when not in use to save battery and improve performance. Turn off unused wireless connections like Bluetooth and location services. Lower screen brightness to extend battery life and reduce system load.